Si è arruinato, ok. Mi dejo arreglar el pelo. Yo también, hemos sido el amor de la casa por 14 años, ¿verdad, amigo?
Hanging out in Chicago with Ron. We're in Target with Ron. Wow!
So slippery. Oh god. Oh god, I'm so confused.
Hey you, what's going on?
Hi! Hi! You're cute. Hi. Hey. You're just a friend. Just saying hi. Hi!
Want the ball?
Hi, Maddie. Hi, Curb.
Oh yeah, good job, Ron. Cool, so we're in our Airbnb for the night. We got Ron. We got Bay. Warming up some tamales. Little and simple pupusas. Shout out Grandma. And then the master bedroom. Yeah. Biggest closet ever. Huh? Oh, I know. Bathrooms, whatever. We got Ron again. And then we got a balcony. There's a roomy ass balcony. Yeah. Cool, and we're about to out here. Run.
We just left for Colorado. Someone's already sleeping. Oh, what? No, that's not. I'm not sleepy. I'm awake.
Just bored. So bored.
Just York.
It ain't new.
It's not new at all.
Play me, yeah, I doubt it. Nigga lost his mind. Paramedics found it.
Thousands, billions, bottles on me like billion, lungs on me like Hilton, Wendy's on me like aliens, shouting, digging, look at me like I'm alien, bitch, I'm fucking reptilian, bitch, oh, bitches was wrong, talk about I felt off, you ain't even get on, bitch.
Ronald, will you let us know where we're at?
We're in Denver, I think.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty crazies. Microwave, mini fridge. Shout out to Tyler for the craft beer in there. And then the room. Ronald, will you demonstrate? Come here. Hey, come here. Simba. Come on. Hey, get on the bed. You love the bed. Boom. There we go.
Yeah. Is it comfy? Oh.
Why do you always sit on the pillow?
That's the sad side, isn't it?
Come on.
Come on. Put ass on the pillow. Sheesh.
We're at Mystic Springs, and this is where we stayed at last night. Boom. Liz got some footage at nighttime to add to the ambiance, so now we're gonna go walk. So they have little sheds like ours, and they also turned buses into little cabins. Check it out. See, this bus was turned into this little area here. So cool.
I want to be that black and white one.
These guys are crazy.
Oreo duck.
Yeah, the guy over there.
He's so cute. Let me take you guys.
So we were in this one last night.
Oh, that's so nice.
Let's see.
Oh my god, it's gorgeous.
Oh yeah, that's warm. So to get to the other hot springs, other than these two pools, they have a couple hot tubs up this little hike right here, as we see Mia go up. Hopefully I don't fall recording. Cool. And the hot tub.
Oh yeah, that is so warm.
So this is the tub that we were in last night. Pretty much built into the structure here. It's crazy. Water drips down there, right there, which is really nice. Me and Bay sat here last night for about 20 minutes. Took it all in, and the stars, since there's absolutely like barely any light pollution, stars were shining. Yeah, so we just found this little mystic book. A lot of people that came have signed it, and now we're leaving our little note. We're about to go to the buffet. Just got to the buffet. We're hungry. We're about to go eat. Cool, but right now I'll show you guys the apartment furniture list, and then once we get everything in, because we've been waiting on this truck all day, we'll show you it with after. everything is in here. Woo! Yeah, Ryan. Simba. Hey. You got Bay washing her hands. Took us what, 2 hours? 2.5 hours?
Yeah,
9 o'clock, like 9:10. Ron got his couch back. Oh yeah, look at him.
so excited about your couch.
What's going on, guys? So the little part that you just saw was us unpacking the truck and getting all the boxes into the house. It has been about 3 weeks or so since we've officially like unpacked and did everything. So we've been at our apartment for about a month and like a week total, like 5 weeks total. So we finally settled everything in. So check everything out. Here you go.